Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute glittery butterfly. So grab your colors and let's get started. Welcome to Glitty Art. First, let's draw a big round circle for the butterfly's head. Now I'm drawing the thorax and then the abdomen. Let's add 2 cute eyes, a sweet little smile, and 2 tiny antennas on top. Time to draw the forewing and the hind wing. These wings will look so beautiful. And now, I'm adding some small round circles. Now it's time to color. First, I'm using gray and black for the eyes. The thorax, parts of the abdomen, and some of the wing circles. Butterflies can't fly if they're cold. They need sunshine to warm up their wings before flying. Next, I'm using yellow for the face, parts of the thorax, abdomen, and the cute little antenna tips. They love flowers. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers using their long, straw-like mouth called a proboscis. Finally, I'm coloring both wings with shiny blue. Look how it sparkles. They help plants grow. By moving pollen from flower to flower, butterflies help in pollination, just like bees. Our glittery butterfly is all done. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a glittery drawing. See you next time on Glitty Art. Bye!